All right, so this job is completed right now, and we did the panels, we did car charger. I'm going to show you the grounding. The idea of the grounding is that right here is the second ground rod that we need, and everything has to be in one continuous cable, so nothing is allowed to be cut. We're connecting to the main cold water to get more connection to earth, and we're adding this ground rod in here to connect more connection with earth. This one is actually going 8 feet deep in the ground. We had to hammer it all the way in, and this cable is running through the garage, through the attic, and come outside to our panel. You can see the car charger over here. We came from the crawl space under the house, and we fed this right over here for the Tesla car charger. Then the old location became a sub panel with a waterproof cover. Inside of this we have the sub panel. The sub panel is all labeled, showing exactly what everything does inside the house, different amperage, different numbers, getting different size of wires. We extended all the pipes back into this panel. We're gonna come in and waterproof this wall and patch it and get a piece of stucco to match the paint and paint it. We went all the way with our pipe to feed this panel. We did the car charger, came from here and went to the crawl space, came out. Our grounding as well is coming here to the second ground rod, wrapping down in here. This is our beautiful panel right there. This is the second point, 8 feet deep, and then we bond this box for protection. This is the path of escape for any type of electrical faults. This is our main new riser. This panel is 200 amp. The big one is fitting the other panel on the other side, and the other one next to it is for the car charger. Both coming from the main, which is the stronger one. Now it's 200 amp, and this guy is a whole house surge protector. In case anything happens, this house is completely protected right now.